Welcome back. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and today we are making homemade cornbread. Let's do it. We need flour, sugar, cornmeal, baking powder, honey, 3 sticks of butter, salt, 4 eggs, buttermilk, and vegetable oil. And I'm making it in a 15-inch cast iron skillet. So the first thing, I'm preheating in my oven at 350 degrees with my cast iron skillet in it for a half hour. I'm doing my dry ingredients first, and we need 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of cornmeal, a cup of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. And now we mix the dry ingredients all together. So now for the wet ingredients, I'm adding 4 beaten eggs, 2 sticks of melted butter, 4 cups of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of honey. So before I put the buttermilk in, I have to mix this mixture first. Okay, and this is what it should look like when it's mixed. And now our 2 cups of buttermilk. And then we mix again. So I broke out my big bowl because I wanted to make sure we had room. So here's our dry mixture, and we slowly add our wet right into the middle. Now we start mixing it all together, incorporating the wet and the dry. And I'm still mixing. And you have to mix so there's absolutely no lumps in it. So you have to mix very well. Okay, brought out the whisk, and just take your time with this part because you really have to get all the lumps out. We took the pan out of the oven and it's hot. And now we have to melt butter in the pan. It's still melting. The whole stick of butter has to melt right in here. Right, the butter is all melted, and now we slowly add our batter in. Okay, it's in, and you see how the butter is over the edge? You just get the butter and start putting it on top. So moving around the butter to get it all on top. Okay, it's all ready. It's gonna go in the oven for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, we just took it out. It came out clean. And it was actually 40 minutes because we doubled the recipe. And now we just put a little butter on top. I know it's very buttery, but it's delicious. And you're not eating this every day. This is for Thanksgiving, or you can make it for a barbecue. And then I'm going to put it in the broiler for like 2 minutes. I just want to brown the top a little bit. And I'll show you when it's done. It's done. I put it in the broiler literally for a minute, and this is what it looks like. It smells so good. And I'll do a little taste test in a minute. Okay, so I cut out a little piece. Look how moist that looks. And I'm going to try it. Oh. It's really good. It's really good. Make this any time of the year. It's really good. Like and follow for more. Happy Thanksgiving.